My presentation topic is the effects of polyphenol-rich traditional herbal teas on obesity and oxidative stress in rats fed the high-fat sugar diet. This is the outline of my presentation. Research problem was obesity. Obesity is a serious chronic condition that can have negative effect on many systems in our body. As explained in the diagram, there is an adipose tissue which is an endocrine organ made up of adipocytes secreted the variety of biological active molecules known as adipokines. As adipose tissue expands during obesity, there is an increase in the pro-inflammatory adipokines which causes the inflammation in the body that induces the production of reactive oxygen species generate the process called oxidative stress. Leptin, which is an adipocyte-derived hormone, is elevated in the obese individual and reduces the oxidative stress. Obesity and the oxidative stress are associated with each other, as oxidative stress is the result of an imbalance between the oxidant and the antioxidant mechanism. Free radicals are naturally produced in our human body. They also come from the outside sources. But when problem occurs, when there is excessive production of free radicals are produced, that can affect the healthy cells of the body like lipid, protein, nucleic acid and causes the inflammation, tissue injury and the various chronic diseases. One of them is the obesity. Antioxidants are the best solution to overcome this problem by donating the electrons to the free radicals and make them stable. Natural antioxidant polyphenols are readily acceptable by the consumers as they are generally recognized as safe. These two plants were selected on the basis of their availability and their ethnopharmacological survey. The aim and objective of the study was to prepare the herbal teas from selected plants individually and in combination and to estimate the phenolic acid and the flavonoid content of the herbal teas using state-of-the-art chromatographic techniques and to evaluate the anti-obesity potential of teas on using the high-fat sugar diet-induced obesity rat model. This was the experimental protocol of the study. Ginger and the hibiscus were collected from the botanical garden of the Government College University, Faisalabad, Pakistan. Then the pre-treatment like washing, drying and grinding was done. After the pre-treatment, we prepared the herbal infusion through the air press shaker for 24 hours at 50 degrees centigrade and then residue was separated by Whatman filter paper number 1. The resulting solution were dried under reduced temperature and pressure using the rotary evaporator to get the dried extract. Separation and the quantification of polyphenolic characterization by HPLC was done through Perkin-Elmer gradient system and C18 column. In vivo study on rat model, we performed different biochemical parameters and the histopathology. This was the yield of the extract. The highest yield was found from the hibiscus and the minimum yield was found from the ginger. The gallic acid was the major phenolic acid found in the selected herbal teas and the catechin was the major flavonoid detected in the two teas. Higher catechin means it has a good antioxidant activity because a sufficient supply of catechin may prevent or improve the obesity by immodulating lipid metabolism and possibly reduce the risk of associated diseases. In vivo anti-obesity activity, there are 9 groups of rats. First one is the control group. Second one is the high-fat sugar diet control group. Third one is the positive control group. And we selected the higher and the lower doses of all the treatment group. All treatment group received the high-fat sugar diet along with their extract. The effects of herbal teas on the body weight, body mass, kidney and liver indexes of different groups of obesity rat models are presented in the graph. High-fat sugar diet control group significantly increases the body weight and the body mass indexes, indicating the effectiveness of high-fat diet-induced the obesity model. Our results reveal that the oral administration of all the aqueous extracts and the positive drugs significantly reduces the body mass index. Among them, the hibiscus show the more remarkable effects on the body weight, body mass indexes and the liver indexes. The effects of herbal teas on the serum lipid profile levels in rats supplemented with the high-fat sugar diet. High-fat sugar diet has also significantly increased the serum level of total cholesterol, triglyceride, LDL, VLD and decreased the level of HDL. Our treatment group significantly reduced the elevated level of serum lipid profile and increases the high density lipoprotein. Among them, the higher dose of hibiscus showed the greater protective effects. Obesity has also directly effect on the liver and the kidney parameters, and the effects of the hibiscus, ginger and mixed tea extracts on the liver and the kidney parameters are presented in the table. All the extracts show the protective effects. The maximum effect was recorded in the higher dose of the hibiscus group, which were comparable with the positive control group. Atherogenic index also has been used as an optimal indicator of dyslipidemia and the associated diseases like cardiovascular diseases. Effects of the herbal teas on the oxidative stress parameters of the different groups of obesity rat models like SOD, MDA, GSH and THC are presented in graph. The level of MDA in serum of high-fat sugar diet control group is significantly higher than the normal control group, thus showing the oxidative stress in the tested animals. All the treatment group, including the positive control group, have shown a significant decreases in the elevated level of MDA. Best effect was shown in the higher dose of the mixed tea. The serum SOD level in high-fat sugar diet group significantly less than the control group. The maximum effect was shown by the mixed tea, higher dose and lower doses of the mixed tea. The significant reduction in the level of the GSH and total antioxidant capacity recorded in the high-fat sugar diet control group, which leads to the oxidative stress. All the treatment group except the lower dose of ginger significantly increases the level of total antioxidant capacity and GSH values. Best protective effects shown by the higher and the lower doses of the mixed tea. Histopathological microscopic image showing the morphological changes of liver and kidney of different rat groups. Microscopic examination of the liver and kidney tissue show regular architectures with unnoticeable differences in the histological and cellular structure of all the rat group except the rats of high-fat sugar diet control group. It can be concluded from the study that hibiscus and the ginger tea individually and in mixture form at doses 250 and 500 mg per kg show anti-obesity and antioxidative stress effects. The investigated teas contain rich source of phenolic acid and flavonoid, especially the gallic acid and the catechin. Thank you.